Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make this quick, easy, delicious pasta recipe that is perfect for a busy weeknight dinner. The pasta is so creamy, paired with peppers and Cajun flavored chicken. Let's get started. We're using cut up chicken tenders for this recipe, and we're going to start by seasoning the chicken with some Cajun seasoning. Mix the chicken in very well with the seasoning. Once everything is mixed in, we're going to cook the chicken. We're going to heat up some olive oil in a pan over medium-high heat. As soon as the oil gets very hot, add the chicken. Arrange the chicken into a single layer, then cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side until browned. As soon as the chicken has browned up, take it out of the pan and set aside for later. Going back to the same pan, we're going to melt some butter. As soon as the butter has melted, add some minced onion and a sliced red bell pepper. Season the veggies with salt and black pepper and a little bit of Cajun seasoning. Saute the veggies for about 3 minutes to bring out their flavor, then add some minced garlic. Let the garlic cook for a few seconds to get fragrant, then pour in a mixture of milk and heavy cream. Next, we're going to add some parmesan cheese. You can add as much cheese as you want. Mix everything together and let the sauce simmer on medium heat for a few minutes to thicken. In the meantime, we're going to cook some pasta in boiling hot water according to package instruction. When the pasta has finished cooking, drain off all the water, then add it to the creamy sauce. Add the cooked chicken, then mix everything together. Once mixed in, it's ready to be served. This delicious Cajun chicken creamy Alfredo pasta came out so good. I garnished with some fresh parsley. The pasta came out so creamy and flavorful, and the Cajun seasoning on the chicken gives it a lot of flavor. The chicken is very tender and juicy. All ingredients, measurements, and instruction for this recipe are in the description box.